So when it comes to mechanics and getting your car fixed, a lot of times we already know the connotation behind that. They are going to try to get over on women. And they'll get over on men if they see you don't have a certain type of knowledge as well, right? I'm the type of woman, I'm going to do my research. I am frugal, and if it doesn't feel right, it's not right to me. So I end up taking my car to one place that does mainly my oil changes in the current place that I am now, right? And I said, okay, I love a certain mechanic, so I want to just see if I can get to them. They can tell me what it is. Then I'll take that to my mechanic and they can tell me, how much it'll be. Well, when I got it to my mechanic said something totally different. Now they're both saying something totally different is wrong, right? One is 1,300, one is almost 1,200. Come to find out, it wasn't neither. And one of them tried to make me get something done that I had already got done, and that's why I was able to prove it through my receipts. Get a second opinion. Talk to me in the comments. I'll talk back.